How about we build, you can't even see that there, we build a mechanics creeper seat here. I've seen these around at Harbor Freight and at, just about everywhere. And I've seen them for 40, 50. I think this one I even saw up to like $79 or something like that. I dug around and I found this particular one was 24. So it was a much better deal than some of the other ones out there. You just gotta dig. Good Lord. Asiento de coche. Car seat. There's how you put it together. You simply do that. Yep, that's exactly it. There are no great instructions anyway. We can probably do this in just a few minutes. I already lost my knife. Oh, good God. It's just a bag of parts. I mean, we can probably figure this out. Looks like all the washers are the same size. I mean, these clearly go there, right? Thank God the wheels are already on. Doesn't seem to be a left right there. These go on the bottom of the seat. I mean, if we want to have, that facing the right way. Suppose it's like that. This would go. It's important to me that the words show up the right way. So small washers and big washers. I see. As you know, washers have a right direction and a wrong direction. If they're cut washers like this, you put the rounded part up and the flat part down. Everyone knows this. Lost our other bit over here. Come on. Really? There we All right, that seems to be right. It looks like the rounded part is the front. These guys will all go on that way. And they come up from underneath. Washer. And the acorn nut. I used to have a nice seat. It was a just the bottom of a office chair, and it finally succumbed to its ultimate entropy, which was to finally just all come apart. The wheel broke, the seat itself split. It was just not good anymore. So that went away. I made a fatal blunder here. Oh no, I didn't. Well, one of those deals is you should never tighten up everything while you're putting something like this together. At least have it tightened down. You know, all of these guys. A little disappointed. I was hoping to put the wheels and stuff on. I got a whole extra set of washers, which means I missed some somewhere. It shows kind of an extra washer between this and the base part, but the base part already came together. Now there is instructions. Do not tighten fasteners before step 8. Remove all parts from packaging. Ensure all parts are present per list BO. Place the plastic tool tray on the base as shown. Assemble the right and left sections of the U-frame onto the base through the plastic tray using the bolt cap nut washer. And it's a bolt cap nut washer. Attach the casters to the base through the plastic tray with a cap nut washer as shown. Tighten with a wrench. So this came built for me, and there's a lock washer in there. Place connecting rods with the seat cushion over the mounting holes as shown. Attach the mounting bolts and washers. Place the plastic caps in the ends of the frame tube as shown. Make sure all the nuts and bolts are tight before use. I have 4 washers, so that's okay. Tighten this all up. Make a guess here. That's the right size. There we go. Bottom's not the right size. go. It works. That's it. This is the Torin Blackjack creeper seat from Amazon. $24 and something. The next cheapest one is like $36, and beyond that up to like $80. And I would not pay $80 for this. I would pay exactly $24 for this. Seems to work. Thanks for joining me today.